Hello and welcome to Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to learn the pronunciation and meaning of two fun words. Let's start with a word that's all about the waves, both in pronunciation and meaning. This word is pronounced as undulate. Undulate. To undulate means to move in a wavy pattern. Think of a snake slithering, a flag flapping in the wind, or water rippling in a pond. All of these are undulating. Here is a sentence example. We soon see a field of wheat undulate in the breeze. Now, let's talk about a word that has been around for centuries. Oblivion. Oblivion. This word has a rich history and a powerful meaning. This word refers to a state of forgetfulness or being completely forgotten. It refers to a place where memories are lost and a time when things are no longer remembered. That's what oblivion means. But with the right pronunciation, you can ensure that this word will never be forgotten. Here is a sentence example. Alcoholics often suffer from periods of oblivion. That's it for this video, folks. Let's make sure these words never fall into oblivion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.